We're going to download Azure Data Studio. Here's our main documentation for Azure Data Studio, and you'll see the download Azure Data Studio link here. And as you can see, we have, it's a cross-platform, works both on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So I'm going to use the user system installer, the one that's recommended, which is going to download a zip file. So I'm using the Edge browser here. Your download experience might look different, but when the file download is completed, go ahead and open it, then follow the steps of the installation. And then go ahead and launch it at the end. Azure Data Studio, one of the first things we're going to want to do is install the extension. So if you go down to this extensions tab here, there's two ways of doing that. You can search on the SQL migration extension up here. Type SQL, and it's going to show you all the different extensions available. But in this situation, I'm going to say File, and I'm going to install extension from VSIX package. It looks very similar to VS Code or Visual Studio. So we'll go ahead and click that. Okay, and then once that's complete, you're going to see that up here. So you can always come back to the extensions tab here, and then you'll see which extensions you have. And then the next thing you want to do is click your connections tab up here. I already have some set up, but what you'll do is click this new one, this new connection here, click that, and then you're going to enter the information so that you can connect to the source database, the database that you want to migrate to Azure.